2013 Honda CRV. We're going to be changing the oil in this thing today. It has the 2.4 liter, and we're going to be using Mobile 1 0W20. This thing holds about 4.5 quarts. I've changed this a couple times before. Right now this thing has 235,000 miles on it. We're going to be using a 17 millimeter wrench to break the nut loose. And for the oil filter, we're going to be using this here. Real simple. So let's get to it. $17 millimeter oil filter wrench. Gloves. I can't have my girl hands getting nasty. So let's look under here. So I have a shield on here. Requires Phillips head screws. We're going to take 4 of them off. And we're going to fix this where I hit that raccoon. The tools that are required for this will be 17 millimeter oil filter wrench and just old Harbor Freight Pittsburgh. Only the best, baby. Only the best. Pittsburgh Phillips head screwdriver. 4 screws, 4 Phillips head screws right here. I'll just little plate on. This is your oil filter. Take it off. This is your oil plug. We're going to take the plug out first and drain it. Once it's drained, the plug back in. Change the filter out. Unscrew it. If I got to use those pliers, I'll use those pliers to unscrew it. Shouldn't be too tight. And let's get it. He's going to break this loose. Like so. Get your pan. Make sure your oil pan's under here. Cap is taken out. Unscrew this bad boy. Hope we don't get too much oil all over us. Or all over the camera. These have a crush washer on them. Change that out every time. No matter if it looks good or what. Change it out. Alright, that's about it. I'm going to put my bolt back on there with my crush washer. I'm going to torque it down to about 35 foot-pounds, something like that. This, in my hand and arm, is my torque wrench. About 35 foot-pounds. You hear that? Yeah, it's about 38, 40. Might make a mess here. Let's try to reach in here and see if she just comes undone. Yeah, maybe not. Get these bad boys a hold of it. Alright. She's loose. She's ready to spill out now. Here's your little trick. Go to Family Dollar and get you some of these bad boys. slide right over your oil filter as long as it's loose. There you go, boys. I'm using a Honda oil filter. That's what I would recommend. Get you a little bit of this oil. Got a little bit on my finger. Wipe it on the seal. Then put it back on there. Hand tighten. If you don't make no noise, you ain't did it right. Yeah, that'll be good enough. Now put the cover back on and we'll add some oil. Then we'll be done. Got my funnel. Take this cap off. Looks good. No kind of milky residue or nothing crazy. No blowed head gasket. We gotta add about 4.5 quarts. Almost. So I'll end up using most of this jug. It's like liquid gold, baby, liquid gold. Not gasoline. Let this sit there. Cap back on it. Now I'm going to start my car up and let it run for about a minute. Let everything circulate. Once it circulates real good, I'll wait about 2 or 3 minutes, let the oil go back down to where it should be, then I'll check the level. While that thing is running for about a minute, you can look at it and check for some oil leaks. See if you got any kind of oil leaks under that thing. See if it sounds funny. Might find something else to work on. If you don't see any oil leaks, you did a pretty good job. Alright, now we're going to turn the car off and let it settle for a couple minutes, then we're going to check the oil. Alright, it's been about 4 or 5 minutes. Check this oil level. Take her out here. Wipe her down, wipe her down. Let's check this together. Looks like, oh well, you can see that. It's like it's on the low side is what it's showing to me, but about right in the middle of the 2 dots. So maybe it hadn't settled down all the way, but that's good enough to me right now. So I'll probably just let that eat for a little bit, and I'll check it tomorrow afternoon, something like that, when I get off work or whatever. This is a Honda, baby. This thing don't use no oil. So now we have the oil changed. We need to reset the odometer for the oil. we're gonna reset the oil life on this thing, and on this car, you turn the key on, and stuff should pop up. So you're gonna go to menu, and then you're gonna use these buttons to go left or right, up or down. So we're gonna go down, up to vehicle information, click over for maintenance. That's right on oil life. It still showed I had 40%. Well, wait for that to get done. Once that's there, you click it, right click that, or you right click that. Then it's asking you want to reset the oil maintenance. We're going to arrow down to yes, hit enter. Maintenance been reset. 100%. There you go. That's what you're looking for, folks. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate everyone out there that's watching these videos. If you'd like to see more of these videos, just say something. Say, hey, I like your videos. There's going to be more to come, either way you like them or not. So we'll see you on the next time. Appreciate y'all watching.